Now, people keep honeybees all over the world in all sorts of amazing places. From rooftops in LA to balconies in Berlin, from rural landscapes to urban backyards, large honey farms to honey houses in hot climates and also in cold. Honeybees are great at adapting to the environment around them. If we look after the bees, they'll look after us, and the honey really is an amazing bonus.
Bees are fascinating creatures, and they play a very important role in our world. At SummerHawk Ranch, we're always thinking about ways to make beekeeping as simple as possible. We want to give you a fun and rewarding experience so that together we can support these important pollinators. By designing our products with the specific needs of the backyard beekeeper in mind, we hope to inspire a new generation of beekeepers who can care for these amazing creatures while enjoying the many benefits of harvesting natural honey. The SummerHawk Ranch Jar Hive is a new kind of beehive, featuring all of our best ideas. We've taken the standard brood super and added a window that allows you to see the activity of your hive from the outside. We call it the Quick Check Super. This allows you to do quick visual checks on the health of your hive without having to fully dismantle it as often, a process which takes a lot of time and stresses the colony. Not only is this more fun and convenient, it's also a great educational feature for kids. We also took the standard frame and contoured the edges to make it easier to see between the frames when looking through the Quick Check window. All of our frames come pre-assembled and pre-waxed, which gets you and your bees started that much faster. But the most exciting feature of the Jar Hive is our new Jar Super, which allows bees to store honey directly into the mason jars, dramatically reducing the amount of work for the beekeeper and the stress on the hive. For times when extra ventilation is required, our Jar Supers come with 2 ventilated jar screens. Just drop these in place of a jar to allow additional airflow while preventing the bees from getting through. We hope you can tell we've taken great care in designing our hives to meet the needs of the backyard beekeeper, while complementing the beauty of your yard. With these new features, the SummerHawk Ranch line of beehives are great for beginners and experts alike. So thank you, and we hope you love your new SummerHawk Ranch hive.